Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel all subscription on your debit card. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to know if it's actually possible for us to cancel all our subscriptions. So there's a few ways for you to do this. So first is the manual way. Well, in the manual way, in this case, you'll have to go to the service or to the website where you've previously subscribed on, and from there, you need to cancel it yourself. Now, for example, you have your Amazon here. So at the top section of your screen, go to your account and listing, go ahead and click on it. And from here, we want to go to Prime here, and under Prime, you should see an option that says membership here. So if you click on update, continue, and more, you should see an end, or basically remove subscription. So that is the manual way. So meaning you need to go through all of the websites or the services and manually cancel it all. Now, sometimes there's going to be an offer online that says you just need to provide some information about yourself, and from that application, they're going to basically unsubscribe you from all those services. I do have to warn you, sometimes these applications are going to be a scam and they might steal your information. So be wary of these applications and do not use their services immediately, especially if the service is actually free. Now, another way for you to cancel your subscription or all of your subscriptions is to directly contact your bank or your debit card provider. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and contact them via phone or by visiting the nearest branch that they have. Now, this is the best method because you'll be directly interacting with the bank itself or the debit card provider itself, and from there they will ask you to provide a few free information about yourself, like for example your full name, any IDs, and a lot of details to confirm your identity that you actually want to cancel all your subscription. So yeah, so those are the ways to cancel all your subscriptions on your debit card, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.